Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the motion tracking feature on CapCut PC. So select your video and you can, I think, use stickers or either text for it. I'm just going to use stickers for mine, and I'm just going to place it where I want, for instance like here. Whoops. And then I'm just going to select tracking, select motion tracking, and select the part that I want to track, for instance her face. So I'm just going to place the sticker there. You can select the direction. I'm just going to turn off scale though, but I'm just going to leave. Actually, I'm going to turn on scale as well. You can either turn it off and on, and then I'm going to select the start button, and it's going to track the person's face with the sticker. It's not super accurate, as you can see. It does kind of get zoomed a little bit. Let me try to do it without the scale, so it doesn't zoom out like the sticker, as you can see. But yeah, it's not perfect, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!